came to an end by 1750 BCE. Matchups now, we'll do the third one, matchups. The first is Great Bath, and the answer is Mohenjo-daro. Second is Harappan civilization, answer is Bronze Age. Third, Humped Bull, it is most sacred animal. Fourth one is barter system. Fifth, male god, it is Pashupati. Now we come on to answer the following question. First is, who discovered the Indus Valley civilization and when? Come to page number 26. Page number 26, write here answer 1 under the heading Discovery and Extent. First point will be in 1921. Mr. Dayaram Sahani discovered the ruins of the city of Harappa. Second point in the same answer is in 1922, Dr. Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered the ruins of Mohenjo-daro. So this is the first answer. The different sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Come to page number 27. Page number 27 under the heading main sites. Here in the box you can see the sites, so you have to write only the names of the sites. That is Lothal, Kalibangan, Banavali, Sutkanjendo, Alamgirpur and Dholavira. And then you will write were the main sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Now here they are asking you to explain the town planning and the drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization. Come on page number 28 and 29. We will write the heading first, town planning. The first point is the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were divided into two parts. Second point, the upper part was built on a raised platform. It has been described as the citadel or the acropolis. Then we come to the third point on the second side. Here were built some public buildings like the granaries and religious buildings. And the fourth point, probably the ruling class lived here. Now in the same answer, fifth point is the lower part contained the houses and workplaces of the common people. This is the fifth point. Sixth point, each house was built with a courtyard, several rooms, a toilet and a well. Okay, this was the sixth point. Seventh point, large blocks of houses were built along the sides of the street. Then after this we move to the eighth point. Okay, some of these were like palaces while others were small. That's all. So we are having how many points? We are having 7 points, isn't it? So children, in all we are having 8 points over here in this answer. Then the second part of the same one is, you'll write the heading drainage system. So the first point is the drainage system of the Harappan cities was incredible. Second point, the rooms had sloping floors and had drains which were connected to the street drains. Then the third point will be the street drains were covered with stone slabs or bricks and had manholes at regular intervals. Fourth point will be these drains were cleaned regularly. And the fourth point, then fifth point is the main drains emptied outside the cities. Okay, so overall we are having How many points? 5 points. Come on to the fourth answer. We have to explain the Great Bath, where it has been found and what was it used for. Come on, page number 29. Heading Great Bath. First point will be another famous structure discovered at Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. Second point we will write it was, you have to add it on your own. It was a rectangular structure resembling a swimming pool. Third point, it is an example of beautiful brickwork. Fourth point, the Great Bath was perhaps used for religious bathing. Then sixth point, steps to the bottom. Fourth point, again I am repeating children, the Great Bath was perhaps used for religious bathing. Fifth point, it had 6 entrances, a central bathing pool, galleries and dressing rooms. 6th point, steps led to the bottom of the pool. 7th point, there was an outlet to drain the used water. And the 8th point, water for the bath was taken from an adjacent well. Come on to the 5th answer. Here we have to explain the religion of the Indus Valley civilization. Come on to page number 32. First point we will be writing, the Harappan people worshipped trees and animals. Then people was regarded as sacred. This much is the first point. Second point, at various sites, clay figures of Mother Goddess have been found. Third, we will be writing a 3-faced figure is also found. Then removing the full stop, we will add which according to some historians is the earliest representation of Lord Shiva as Pashupati. Fourth point, the most important animal to be worshipped was the humped bull. Fifth point, the gods were not placed in temples. And the sixth point, the Harappans believed in life after death.